So I am going to run a Python file which is Gemini Robotics-ER.py in a 3 terminal. Each terminal is going to be execute three things: 2D pointing to undefined object, 2D boundary boxing, and simple trajectory planning. The last option I have is run all example, but I am going to run this separately. Now you can see the first option of 2D pointing to the undefined objects. So there is a response getting from the model by the data of this image and detecting them and labeling them. The second one is a 2D bounding the box. Yeah, you can see now the boxes have been detecting and perfectly making a separate deduction for each boxes and labeling them. The third thing is simple trajectory plan. By clicking at 3, we can run this also. Let's press 3. Yeah, now it start running. Wait for a minute. Yeah, now the response is generated, where you can see the point x, y, and the labels from the dots or like label we can consider. Yeah, now I'm going to showcase the most important thing and the highlight of this ER 1.6. The clock taking understanding by seeing this image, they can taking a reading of analog reading. Just I am taking a simple clock. By running this Python file, you can see the JSON format of the response is hours and minutes data 12 and 46. The 12:46 is the time. So JSON file response is exactly correct. Now I am going to run the video. From this video, how they going to be tracking the object. Let's see. I'm going to track a pen. There is a 15 frame across this. They will be compute each frame up to 15 frames. Let's wait and see. If you have getting some mock deduction, that means the API key limit is exist. Try again if the API key reaches the reset until you wait for the next day. If you are requesting more API requests, it will be exist. So you can reset your it will be automatically reset until you wait and do for the next time. If you want to be go deeply and I want to know the this thing deeply, you can purchase the API key from Google. Yeah, I have a final Python file. Before that, the frames and the labels, the coordination data have been showing to me the targets and this kind of thing. You can see in my screen share. So I'm going to run the run video demo.py. Here the video is already available. Extracting the 10 frames, analysis going on Gemini Robotics here. Let's wait for a minute. Yeah, now you can see the video analysis result. This is in the JSON format. In this JSON format, you can see the start timestamp and the end timestamp, and mainly the description of that particular period, what the robot is doing, how the model is understand. Yeah, that's about.